Welcome back to infyGyan, my dear friends. In this video, we have one very interesting and challenging question from algebra. The given equation is 2x minus 3 whole square equal to 5. Condition on x is x must be greater than 1. Then we have to evaluate expression x minus 1 whole power 24 plus 1 over x minus 1 whole power 24. Let's consider this expression equal to e first. Now I will assume x minus 1 equal to y. So I can write our expression e will become y power 24 plus 1 over y power 24. This expression we are going to find out. Now x minus 1 is y. So I can write x will be equal to y plus 1. If x is greater than 1, in this equation, if x is greater than 1, then y must be greater than 0. Now I will plug in the value of x here. So we can write 2 times y plus 1 minus 3 whole square equal to 5. Or we can write 2y plus 2 minus 3 whole square equal to 5. Or 2y minus 1 whole square equal to 5. Now consider square root both sides. We'll get 2y minus 1 equal to plus minus square root 5. Or I can write 2y will be equal to 1 plus minus square root 5. After dividing both sides by 2, we will get y equal to 1 plus root 5 over 2, 1 minus root 5 over 2. Now condition on y is y must be greater than 0. We know that root 5 is approximately 2.236. So this value will be negative. We will reject y negative. So accepted y will be root 5 plus 1 over 2. Let me write here y equal to root 5 plus 1 over 2. And our required expression is y power 24 plus 1 over y power 24. Now I will calculate 1 over y also, which will be equal to 2 over root 5 plus 1. Let's rationalize our denominator. So we need to multiply with root 5 minus 1 in the denominator and numerator. So we can write 2 times root 5 minus 1 over a plus b times a minus b. We can use difference of two squares formula and we will get root 5 square minus 1 square. Now square root and square will be over. So we can write 2 times root 5 minus 1 over 5 minus 1. So 1 over y will be equal to 2 times root 5 minus 1 over 4 or root 5 minus 1 over 2. Let us say this is our equation 1. This is our equation 2. Now I will add both the equations 1 and 2. So I can write y plus 1 over y will be equal to square root 5 plus 1 over 2 plus square root 5 minus 1 over 2. Denominator is same. We will cancel plus 1 and minus 1. So 2 root 5 over 2, or we can write root 5. So y plus 1 over y is root 5. Let me write here. But before that, friends, if you are an Olympiad aspirant or planning to do preparation for SOF, Crest, Unicus, Silver Zone, Asset, Indian Talent Olympiad, Hummingbird from grade 2 to grade 10, then Olympiad Success offers you live interactive sessions, PYQs, tests, and many more. Please check out the description box for further details and use referral code GYAN15 to get 15% discount. Let's come back to our problem. So our equation y plus 1 over y equal to square root 5. And our target expression is y power 24 plus 1 over y power 24. Now I will consider squaring both sides. So I will write squaring both sides. We will get y square plus 1 over y square plus 2 equal to 5. 2 times y times 1 over y. So y and y, denominator y and numerator y will be over. So we will get from here y square plus 1 over y square equal to 5 minus 2 equal to 3. Again we will consider squaring both sides. So let us write squaring both sides. We will get y square whole square, y power 4, 1 over y power 4 plus 2, y square and 1 over y square will get over, equal to 3 square is 9. Now subtract 2 from both sides. We will get y power 4 plus 1 over y power 4 equal to 7. Now we have to find out y power 24. So I will consider cubing of this equation. Let me write y power 4 plus 1 over y power 4 equal to 7. Cubing both sides. We will get a plus b whole cube formula. So I can write y power 4 whole cube a cube plus 1 over y power 4 whole cube b cube plus 3 times y power 4 times 1 over y power 4 times y power 4 plus 1 over y power 4 equal to 7 cube. This will be equal to 343. Now here we can write 7 and y power 4 denominator y power 4 will be over. So I can write y power 12 plus 1 over y power 12 plus 3 times 7 equal to 343. So this is 21. Subtract 21 from both sides. So y power 12 plus 1 over y power 12 will be equal to 343 minus 21. Or I can write y power 12 plus 1 over y power 12 equal to 322. Now we have to consider squaring for the last time. Let me write here y power 12 plus 1 over y power 12 equal to 322. Now I will consider squaring both sides. So I can write here y power 12 whole square a square 1 over y power 12 whole square b square plus 2 times y power 12 times 1 over y power 12. This will be equal to 322 square. Now we can cancel y power 12 from numerator denominator. So here I can write y power 24 plus 1 over y power 24 plus 2 equal to 322 whole square. This is our required expression E. Plus 2 equal to 322 whole square is 103,684. Take away 2 from both sides. E will become 103,682. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.